this huge thing. Oh, I don't even, can't even see what's underneath there. Oh, oh, that was scary. Okay, this is a sketchy section here, usually. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you believe it? Nobody wanted to ride today? An arm pump a little bit here. Don't hang on so tight. Oh, here's a big old drop. Followed by another. Oh, and up. Chrystia Freeland resigned today. The Deputy Prime Minister, the witch, the freak out witch, Twitch witch has resigned, and we're going mountain biking. I think it's the 18th of December. Nobody wanted to ride with my ride group, but this is fresh snow. Fresh snow means should be able to get through to the dirt below it because it's light. Of course, there was already snow below it before, but see, I'm making it. Spin up a little bit. I'm running around 15 psi front and rear. You got to run that one rear low to get so you don't spin out as much. Oh, there we go. No problem. Okay, well now we're going up higher on the Norco 2024 Norco here. I finally hit like 300 kilometers on it. I should be doing that right now. There's a lot of rocks on these trails, but you can't really see them. Kind of gives you a different sense of peace. But yeah, this uphill section is really fun. Oh, it's a little slippery. The rear end there. I've been watching YouTube videos about cornering. Essentially, you try to keep your body straight and lean the bike on a flat corner without a berm. You know, and elbows really bent forward over the bike, and then of course certain directions turns are easier. Since left foot forward for me, that means like a left turn I can lean the bike further. Right turns I have to like pivot the knee in front of the knee. Yeah, and then outside foot down sometimes or not, and when to choose or when to amalgamate the two together. Outside foot down to get more weight into the ground. All right, here's the rocky section. It's getting thicker snow up here. I'm going up to do the connector, guys. The double black connector. Rock faces downhill. Nothing too crazy though. Usually it's like a meter drop between each rock face onto the next sharp rock. And I won't be able to see, actually, gives me a problem. Okay, connector time. Didn't go to the very, very top of the connector to start. Guess I kind of went the wrong way, but let's do this. There's rocks under there. Drop the seat. Got to test for traction here. Remember to steer, get the weight on the front a little bit. Whoa. You can't really see the little rocks. Oh, it's a big one. Ooh, it's powdery right here. How much traction do I have? Lean the bike, not my body. That way you don't go with it. Here's a steep little hill. I gotta set up for this. Okay, here we go. Whoa, it's hard to see anything. Can't really see where the rocks are. There's a little drop right there. Look at this. You don't see anything. This is a rock slab right here. Whoa! Oh shit, went the wrong way now. I'm on the stock Kryptonite tires. Oh, those rocks are tough. they'll shoot you sideways, right? Oh. Whoa! Whoa, because you don't want it to shoot you sideways. Oh, you guys probably can't see a thing. I just turned my music off. It's time to get real serious here and hear the snow. I hear it slipping under the tires. Little hops like that. Whoa, and you get way off track. Ah, okay. Not the best start to this section. Let's keep trying. Let's keep trying. Still can get to the dirt on the braking. I think we'll do this trail again from the very top. Very, very top. We got the jump lines, they're going to be sketchy. Oh, it's really smooth right here, the braking bumps. There's a little jump here, but then I got to turn and pedal for this one right here. Whoa! There's another one right here. Into a corner. Whoa, don't hit the tree. What the hell's going on? And it only does it under load. Oh. The derailleur keeps going like, the hell? Is it because there's ice on it? What the hell is it doing? What the hell is it doing? I think this is because the sprocket is full. Yeah, it is. Look at that. That unbelievable. It's just not letting it get into the sprocket. Who would have thought? Because it's so small. Huh. And grease all my gloves. Okay, well, we're at the connector here. I just put all my goggles back on. Just gotta go for the fun a little bit. Here we are. Big drop and then straight is the connector. Oh, it's kind of dark already. Just fresh power. Gotta remember where the trail goes. Warm those brakes up. Whoa. Oh, I missed that drop. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Whoa, whoa, and over this huge thing. Oh, I don't even see what's underneath there. Oh, oh, that was scary. Because I know there's like a left-right line you gotta usually zig around. There's a little hop. Oh, big rock. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay, this is a sketchy section here, usually. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, I made it through most of it. The hardest parts. Can you believe it? Nobody wanted to ride today. An arm pump a little bit here. Don't hang on so tight. Oh, here's a big old drop. Followed by another. Oh, and up. Well, by using that Bosch little feature, the overrun, gives you an extra like 2 feet of push when you stop pedaling, get you over something. Where's the trail go? Oh, couldn't even see that. My arms just dropped out from under me. Whoa! Cornering is the worst part. When there's no berm. Okay, you can see my previous track Let's finish out the connector. You can see I'm not quite making it to the ground underneath, unless it's hard braking, but not in the corners. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna take a pause. I'm gonna tell Tina, Dr. G, to come pick me up in the next bit. It's enough pushing my luck today. Okay, well, finishing off. It's getting dark. Just realized it's almost 4 o'clock, so this where doctor's gonna come pick me up in 15. I took my glasses off. It's hard to see. They fog up too much. Whoa. You can see my tracks at least. Oh, that's better. Whoa! Going a little more hot there. This is a slippery rock. Whoa! I can't even make the left there. It's too slippery. Whoa! There's logs there. Weight over the front, lean the bike, not me. Just watching, learning about that now on YouTube yesterday. Lean the bike. It's the opposite of street bike racing. Well, yeah, it's the opposite of street biking. You lean the body. And dirt biking, you're sitting down, so it's different when you lean the bike in. All right, we'll finish her up here. Here we go. Got a good tune rocking out in the Cardo Pack Talk Edge. The 45mm JBLs in this one. Oh, that's where I went off track. Yeah, lean the bike. Elbows out, forward. Lean the bike, lean the bike. Carve it. Probably should have practiced turning like on like grass and dry or pavement. Right there, see, turn. Ooh. Lean the bike, lean the bike. Over the bike, there we go. Do I stay level? Lean the bike. A little bit of rear brake. All right, let's just get down safely. Yeah, I screwed that joint up. I was afraid of the lean angle. Whoa! It shot me fucking sideways. Lean the bike. All right, here's the bottom jump line. I don't know. It's a little cliff drop. We'll go, make sure we go up straight. Back up, straight, legs kind of straight. Whoa, see, I can't even make the corner. For this one. Oh, I can barely see the jump. Oh, and the final. Well, that might be the last ride down in Kelowna before I head south to a park in southern California, Louisiana bike park, where they actually shuttle you up. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.